Hey guys, on today's tour, I'm going to show you inside my newest listing right here in Springhill, one of my favorite neighborhoods right in the heart of the city of Mobile, Alabama. An area with its rich trees. It's got a private golf course, public golf courses nearby, coffee shops, private university, its own retail niches. This little area is so charming, and I can't wait to show you this charming house. If you're a young professional looking for your first home, I've got the perfect one for you to see today, and I can't wait to show you around. As you walk in the front door, one of the first things you notice is this updated kitchen looking straight through. It looks so amazing looking through this living room into the kitchen. And the hardwood floors in this living room really set the tone with this nice earthy color. It's an original wood to the house. It's been buffed, it looks fantastic, and it just makes you feel so warm and cozy when you see these original wood colors that you're not used to seeing when you've seen a lot of new construction. At the end of the living room is this painted fireplace, and with a painted wood shiplap accent, it looks fantastic as a nice centerpiece of the living room. And right behind that space is a nice square room that can be doored off that would make a nice office, a separate den, or maybe some sort of a workout space or art room when working from home. Inside the kitchen, guys, this showstopper kitchen looks amazing with this large quartz island. Looks fantastic in this beautiful white. We've got a deep farmhouse ceramic style sink with black hardware. We've got the black lanterns. It really is a nice classic look with the white and black. We've got painted white cabinets with black hardware. And this countertop right here is kind of a buffed down, like a raw finish black granite, and it looks really, really cool. Most of your friends will not know that it's granite because of how they're not used to seeing it in its raw form. It looks really, really stunning. And then stainless appliances, which look fantastic against the white and the black. And then we've got a white subway tile that runs the entire width of the kitchen. And then check these out. We've got these little cabinets that are basically spice rack depth that are really neat. And then pull it all together with this nice bar where you can pull up your chairs and have your friends over and sit here and order a food, tell a joke, or have a drink. Right off the kitchen island is this nice breakfast area. You've got the chandelier right here. Perfect space, ties into an eat-in kitchen that overlooks the living room, looking back towards the front of the house. And then right off this breakfast area is this nice sized room with tons of natural light with windows, basically double windows on each corner. And it really could double as a second master. It's such a large room with its walk-in closet and a nice full bathroom across the hall. It really is a nice setup for a potential roommate floor plan or a young professional that wants to share the rent with somebody else. Hey guys, this last room on the main floor is this private little office nook. It's right here by the front door. Make a great little office. It's got great sight lines to the yard. Could make a great little study, maybe a craft or art room. And it's just another little space, another little nook in this older house that has tons of charm and character. At the top of the stairs, we've turned to the left and walk into this master bedroom. It's a nice big space, real wide, perfect for any size bed. It's got these nice little picture windows at the very end, letting out just a perfect amount of light as you're sitting on the second floor. And this is a great space. What you're gonna discover up here on the second floor master is just the charm of an older house. You've got this closet, one of two, that is etched into the corner of the roof. And so you've got a nice long hanging rack. You've got space behind it for music gear, personal items, hunting gear, etc., that can hide behind your rack of clothes. And then the second closet, as we walk into the front nook, this little U-shaped little horseshoe nook around the master is gonna walk this way, and it walks into this master closet that is really, really cool. We've got an island with a butcher block counter right here in the center, chandelier above. We've got cubbies on either side, hanging racks on both sides, hat rack or coat rack, a shoe closet. We've got drawers right here. It is super functional for the young professional. and very stylish. I love this closet and its functional design. As we kind of make our way around the horseshoe and this super charming design, it comes around very unique, and it has like a little accent bar right here for cabinet space, storage, put your phone there at night. And then a double vanity right here, and I love the colors of the navy on brass with the white quartz. Looks really, really cool. And then it walks into this charming tiled out bath with the brass accents, and it's got tile all the way around with a herringbone accent around the frame of the shower. And then it's got the brass hardware with this little window, and it really is a cool master bath. As you walk in off the top of the stairs, it walks right into the laundry room. We've got these beautiful stained hardwood floors. We've got the same butcher block counters on this island that are in the master closet, and who wouldn't want an island to fold their clothes in their laundry room? Very cool functional design. I love the light fixture ahead. We've got cubbies, we've got hanging racks, we've got a utility sink, we've got drawers and cabinets in the island. This might be one of the most functional and charming laundry rooms I've seen in a long time. And then we've got washer dryer connections over my shoulders right here. It also has these cool windows that overlook the backyard, and this very neat little, I call it a bookcase window right here, letting in just amount of natural light, and it is very charming. At the top of the stairs, opposite side of the master bedroom, we walk into this third room. Too small to call it a third bedroom. It does have a closet, but with this angled ceiling, it kind of limits the use of it being a third bedroom, more or less suited for a small nursery, maybe a craft room, hobby room. I could easily see some bean bags and some sort of creative use of the space, either reading, playing guitar, just an extra, and it could even be walk-in storage, just giving you more adequate heated and cooled storage rather than putting anything outside. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual tour of 65 Bishop Lane right here in Mobile, Alabama, in the Springhill area that's so beautiful. I can't wait for you to see it in person. If you'd like for me to set up that personal tour, my information is on the screen. My name is Matt Baker with Legendary Realty, and I would be glad to set that up for you. If you want to see more beautiful houses, you can click this playlist right here. And if you don't want to miss anything that we do going forward, you can go ahead and subscribe by hitting that button right there. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.